It's about 8:40 Saturday night. I'm going to take an evening dip in the pool with our floating lights. Oh, right there. I'm only seeing one light. Oh, here comes the other one.
Where's the other one? Did you turn the lights on all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've seen that one.
There's that one right here. Okay. Who's going first?
LJ.
I don't know.
Let me throw them in?
Yeah, throw him in, throw him in, throw him in.
No.
Throw him in.
No.
Throw him in.
Okay. You throw me in. I let you throw me in if you throw grappling.
Okay.
I have an iPad.
Oh, yeah, Grandma's got her iPad.
Take an iPad.
Come on, we'll both go in together. Same time.
All you can see of LJ are his trunks. He's so dark.
Okay. Right here.
What the heck are you doing?
Is it warm?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's like a bathtub. Yeah. It is warm.
It's all about the colors.
Which one? You want the green one?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna pretend they're my
Grandma,
emotions.
you want the purple one or the blue one?
The blue one.
Grandma gets the blue one, Grandpa gets the purple one.